Okay guys, this is Gone Fishing Part 2. Okay guys, I found this weird tunnel when I was off camera, but also with that tunnel I found this. It was off camera. Really not anything. It is rusty, so let's put it somewhere. Let's put it on this wall and I don't know. It's super rusty. I don't know. It kind of looks like I don't know. It kind of looks like a gun, but it kind of does. So this thing was down that tunnel. This is what the tunnel looks like. Okay, see? Nothing. Hello? Hello? There's ants. Just little weird thing. So if you guys haven't seen the last part, but I thought something weird. This is something weird. It's not something for me to touch, but it's something for me to keep. This is secretly. I found it secret. So if you guys haven't seen this, I can do the intro all over if you guys want me to. But if you want me to, I'll do it. Hey guys, it's your boy Devin, and the last Gone Fishing episode, this thing was weird, and something was about that tunnel, these rocks.